The Blum Airdrops drop game has finally ended today, which means, of course, we're getting very close and closer to TGE. Now, of course, in this video, I'm just going to bring you guys all of the latest updates, a few things you need to watch out for so that you do not fade this already very long airdrop. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedere and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, of course, as you guys already know, we're speaking about the OG Blum airdrop. It has now officially been over a year since the Blum airdrop started. I think we celebrated the Blum's 1-year anniversary a couple of weeks back. But I mean, we are now here for the end of the airdrop. TGE is happening this spring. There is no other doubt about it. But there are a few things that you can still do right now before they make any list or before everything ends totally. Anyways, guys, let's get right into it. Now, of course, if you guys check into the Blum All Crypto One app, that is the community page on Telegram, you will notice that most of the things they are always posting is mostly about the meme tokens, trade bot, and all of this. They've been promoting that so well. Maybe because, first of all, that is the whole point of the season 2, which is the meme trading and the meme points. And the season 1 was majorly about the Blum Points. Now, as you guys can see, on May 12th, they said the last call for drop game, it was ending on May 13th. Actually, it ended this morning around, 8 a.m. or so. And then they made a post again, last call for the drop game, 7 a.m. today. That was when it officially ended. Now, I had my own issues with this, and I meant some of us had so much drop games that we could not finish playing everything. I was of the idea that at least if they could just calculate the rest of the drop games you have and just give you what, 0.5 or half of the points that you're supposed to get for those drop games, just to pad up what you've got, because it was crazy difficult. I personally did not have so much. I had about 800 or 900 left, and it took literally my whole family to be able to play it all the way to 400. So we ended up playing about 400 games in just, 3 days. Insane. Very insane. Just because we needed to rank up really high. But of course, now it is totally ended. Now, another huge news that just dropped today is about the stars. Now, you guys remember how Blum is so big about the meme trading. They are very, very big about meme trading. Now you can now vote with stars. I mean, this is a way to actually help the visibility of a meme token that is serious. I've always talked about this, that there should be a way for us to curate the kinds of meme tokens we want to buy, if at all we want to invest into meme tokens or meme trading on the Blum trading bot. But now they brought up the stars system, which is called the stars voting. You can now vote. For example, you launch your own meme coin. I mean, you could drop about 1,000 stars into it to just make it visible and to make people actually see it and, give a shit about your meme token. I think it's a very good idea coming from the meme area. But anyways, let's go straight into the app and let's see what is now there for us. So, of course, we're not starting with the MemePad things. Let's start first of all with the meme points and the Blum points. Of course, as you guys can see currently, my Blum point lies at 428,000. This was a struggle, a huge struggle. Now the drop games have totally ended. You cannot get any more Blum points with the drop game. As you can see, there's no play passes anymore. Even when you keep logging in daily and you keep doing your check-ins, you will not get any play passes anymore. It is totally ended. It is finito. So, but there are still a few ways for you to earn Blum points. Of course, when you go all the way to earn and you keep completing all of this quest daily, watching the videos, doing the socials, sharing on your Telegram status every now and then, academy videos, loads of them to watch to give you Blum points. But the truth is, guys, this one will not take you up the leaderboard at all. This is very little. Before playing all of the, let's say 300, 400 play passes I had, On the leaderboard, which I'm going to show you guys currently, let's go all the way to friends. So you guys can see leaderboard. I'm just going to go to see all. You guys can see meme points is over here. Blum Points is over here. I tried my best to play literally everything we could play. My family, everyone, friends, family, enemies, everybody. Just so that I could rank up a little bit. I was currently on 1.7 million. I was previously on 1.7 million on the position on the leaderboard. After trying to play everything, I'm now currently on 871. So I'm right now in the top 1 million. It is insane. It is insane. But that is just where I found myself so far. So, I mean, looking at this leaderboard, you can look at the Blum points. You can also look at the meme points. And then you can use this to actually gauge yourself and think of what you might get in the TGE. Now, it goes without saying that you cannot do anything to boost your Blum points chances anymore. Now, once again, it goes without saying that the meme points is literally your only chance of being able to average or, cut some gap. Because currently, as you guys can see on my meme points, I currently have 33,900 meme points. I'm sitting on the 10,000th position. That is crazy when you think of it with the Blum point position. So in my own hopes, I can still affect the meme points, which is just buying, trading, and selling, trading, and selling, trading, so rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Yes, you might lose a couple of bucks, a couple of dollars, or a couple of tons when you're, or you could actually gain if you're actually trading very smart. But trading is a wild game. But anyways, that is just the whole point. So you can boost your meme points and use it to actually tally your Blum point to be on a very safe place, because we've been on this airdrop for a very long time. It would be so sad to get dust at the end of it. Currently, the only chance of boosting your Blum points is just trying to complete all of this task. And for the meme points is trading of meme tokens on the Blum MemePad and also buying and trading on the Blum trading bot. So these are the ways that you can obviously get more meme points. I already made a video about that. I'm going to put it in the corner or somewhere. That is literally how you can boost your meme point. But as for the Blum points, it's already, I would say, far-fetched correctly. Now, the next thing now is going to the meme points with the latest update that just happened. When you come to the meme pad, you're going to see loads and loads of memes. You have new listings, hot, blooming, decks. We've got market cap. We've got starred. I think the FBI Bank was just one of the best meme tokens that actually came out of the Blum MemePad. We've got starred, we've got live, and we've got my own personal token. Shitty, huh? As you guys can see it. But anyways, if you go all the way to starred, you can see the leading token now there is the drive. It has 30.2 stars. So apparently, if you want to vote, we can just click 10 stars. Do I have up to 10 stars? Yeah, I've got, but I'm not going to put it there. The next one is the FPI Bank. You can see 12.7 stars over here. We're not putting any as well. So 12.7K, it's not a lot of stars for 5.4 million market cap token. Do you understand? So if you actually want to make your own meme token and then you really want it to go really viral on the Blum MemePad, I think the stars is what you need to use. For example, look at this, guys, 12.4K market cap, and then they already have 7.3K stars there. That is bringing them up here, and people can actually see the meme token and then actually get to interact with it. This is what I actually wanted a long time ago on the Blum MemePad. I wanted them to give a way to make it could be incentivized, could be paid, could be any way through streams, live streams, or whatsoever. But this one is a little bit more, I think, solid and more concrete because people are going to actually see it up there. So guys, I think these are the few updates I want to make about the Blum project. I feel like it is knocking on our door. It is happening very soon. So anything you want to do, try to just do it real quick before the end of May, because end of May is the end of spring. June is already summer. I mean, in the drop game we were playing at that point, there were a little bit of clues there. It was TGE this spring. Those were the decoded letters that we were tapping on the drop game. I played a lot of it, so I could find out and I could see that. So just try to position yourself. I mean, this might actually be huge. It may actually be very huge. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.